I can't get enough. No, I can't get enough.
We've just arrived here in Puerto Princesa and we're on our way to El Nido. Bye. Kaya tamad ako mag-vlog. Delegates. I'm not a player though. We're now here in El Nido. El Nido. First meal in El Nido. Try this Thai fried rice here in not so Thai. This is khao soy. Khao soy. Same mango. Thai fried rice.
Ito yung naamoy ko, nahanap ko yung ano.
Of course, not coffee guy. I ordered pineapple shake. This is Vietnamese. Oh, this is the gelato place.
Bigat sa paa na dun eh. Basta sa sleepers.
Hi guys, so we just got back here in our B&B slash Pia's house. Nag-lunch lang kami sa resto ni Pia, which is not so Thai. The food was good. We explored lang yung El Nido town para to look for places where we can eat for the rest of the days. Like yung mga resto, cafe, bars, ganun. And then tinignan lang yung yung beach, yung mismong island to feel the vibes. Kasi when we were eating at the not so Thai, sabi namin parang hindi pa rin nagsisink in na nasa El Nido na kami. So we have decided to go to the islands para ma-feel na namin. And yes, the island is so spectacular and para ka talaga nasa Avatar.
Extravaganza.
And then I bought lang this necklace para lang ma-feel yung island boy. Then G, what did you buy?
Yes. I wanna share it to you guys. I bought this bracelet. Look at this, oh. Wow, turtles! I bought this for 35,000 Canadian dollars. And yours?
Mine was 100 Thai baht.
Thai baht.
Thai baht.
Ano yung pera ng Indonesia?
Ano? Ringgit. Ay, ano?
Rupiah?
Rupiah.
Eh, yung sa India?
Ringgit. Ay, hindi ko alam.
Rapid. Rupees! Diba?
Ikat ko yun.
Rupees.
Oh, galing ah.
The rupees ka.
Then Aljan is there. Nagpo-phone. We're just really exhausted from the
Walk.
travel that we did. 5 hours ng van. And then 1 hour sa airplane. G.
Tapos, ito pa yung stairs natin. Kita dyan.
Kasi yung room namin, nasa tuktok siya. So, bukod doon sa pag-walk namin around the town, mayroon pa kaming hiking go.
Kaya, naka-on yung Strava na.
Naka-on ang Strava. Actually, night na natin yung steps. So that's it. We're just going to stay here for a bit. We're gonna rest. We're gonna watch sunset at Cabanas. Bye.
Vanilla Beach.
Vanilla Beach. Here. What?
Baka to, Nick. Turo ko sa'yo.
Saan?
Ay, makakalampag yung ano. Nanahin.
Hi.
Hi. Ayun na, airplane!
Saan? Ang layo pa!
Airplane! Airplane! Nasa likod.
Airplane! Airplane! Faster! Faster! Faster!
Ano St. Francis?
Say hi.
Hi. Marvin.
Chulas. Ibot na kolong.
Gogo?
How was it? Lasa ka ano, bounty.
Masarap? Siguraduhin yun.
Ah,
Tastes like bounty nga na chocolate.
Sorry.
akala ko para siyang ano, parang popsicle na tawag, parang ice candy vibe.
Kala ko yung pinaka, ito.
Parang ice candy, no?
Kala ko ito.
Parang vanilla. Buko.
Hindi itong buko.
Ito nga lang ang buko. Kala ko mati ito buko.
Ah, hindi ba?
Ito lang inara sa ano.
Good morning, everyone. So this is our third day. Our third day here in El Nido, Palawan, and we just woke up. We're now preparing because we're going to the Nakpan Beach. So yesterday we went to the Leo Beach around 3 to 4 p.m. because it was really raining hard nung umaga. So nag-chill lang kami dito sa room nung umaga because we needed to sleep. Kasi last Saturday, we went to the Pangolin. Above lang siya nung bilihan ng gelato, if you know what I mean. Malapit sa Masabor, yeah. So, Pia treated us some drinks. Libre lang niya kami ng drinks. So, thanks Pia for the drinks. And we're headed back here in our room. And we were all so tired, so that's why late na kami nakapagpunta ng Leo Beach yesterday, but it was okay because it was raining din naman nung umaga, so we wouldn't enjoy the beach din naman if we go there ng earlier. So yun, nagpagabi lang kami sa Leo Beach, and then we were supposed to go out then nung night after the Leo Beach. Dinner lang kami, then we headed back here to rest for a bit. Tapos we were supposed to go out again, but we ended up sleeping na rin kasi we were all tired. And now it's currently 10:30 in the morning and we're preparing for the Nakpan Beach. So I will vlog today. So Gigi's done na sa shower. So I'll go to the shower na, and then we'll go to the Nakpan Beach. And I'll vlog today, swear. Promise. Bye bye. We're now here in Nakpan Beach. So good. Ganda, bro! We're having lunch here in Kailas Kusina, and there's the Nakpan Beach. I got beat by something. I don't know what it is. And on my fingers too. While we were driving, something got inside my clothes, and then I grabbed it like this, and it bit my hand. So I asked for a small piece of garlic. See you later. I got tortang talong and a fried rice. And Gigi got
Grilled squid.
Grilled squid. And how do that? Hindi nyo alam yan.
Adobo.
Oo, wala sa bahay.
Nag-crave lang ako sa adobo.
So good. Look at this.
First
bite.
In fairness talaga, ever since na kumakain kami dito sa Kailas Kusina, sobrang generous talaga nito si Ruby. Wala pa kami naman nakainan na din sa so far. Ayun, konti naman.
Bye. Busin ko na to. Hello. Tapos na kaming kumain and we're going to swim. I'm gonna change my clothes. There's a beach. Wow. There's the beach. Go on our swimsuit. Things are packed and we're heading to our next beach, Vanilla Beach. Hi. Yung sun dyan, parang siyang milk, so fine. So we're just walking here at the little town after a long day again. So galing na kami ng Nakpan Beach, Nakpan and saan pa yung isa? Nakpan and
Vanilla Beach.
Vanilla Beach. And now we're here. Kakatas lang namin mag-dinner at ang gulo. Walking lang, papababa ng kinain. Bye.
Yan. Wait. Dapat yung head mong...
Naka-play na?
Siot. Nakat yung video.
Putol.
Pero nakita.
Hindi ka kasi nagpilang. Tayin mo siya.
Nalunod.
taba. Makita, maayaw mo to. Ayan, ganyan ka lang para di makita. Go!
Go. Yeah, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow. Nice.
Alam mo,
Hi.
mas ko pa mabigat.
Look at their view. Wow. This is Paradise Beach. Paradise Island. This is going to be the second to the last stop for this tour. So we booked Tour D kasi hindi siya masyadong popular sa tourists. And I wanted to have some, you know, alone time. And look at the people. Unlike the other tours na sobrang daming tao, this one, just a few, you know. We could manage. And they have a store here. Look. That's it. I'm gonna enjoy the beach. Bye.
Ano ba to?
Paradise! Resort Manolo!
Encore si belle et sans souci. Au marché entre cuir et passé, une fois par semaine. Robe blanche, des souliers en plastique. Elle cherche une étoile. Elle fait les courses avec papa. Elle fait les courses avec papa. Un jour elle n'en pourra plus, mais elle n'oubliera pas. Quand elle salue ses amis, ne pose pas de questions. Rien n'est plus beau que son sourire. Un été entre cuir et passé, l'emprise se promène. Robe blanche, ses souliers en plastique, tout est comme avant. Elle fait les courses avec papa. Elle fait les courses avec papa. Un jour il n'en pourra plus, mais elle n'oubliera pas.
I'm going to cross this. Wow. Wow. Look how clear the water is. Yeah. My GI. GI. Hi, John. He's busy paddling. My paddle. Oh, fuck. We ate here at Maya's kusina ni Maya. The food was great. Hindi ko na vlog. Fried fried chicken, and of course, my love for tortang talong. And we're on our way to Leo again. Yesterday we went to Vanilla, just a chill day. This is going to be our last whole day here in El Nido. Bye. Trying chow long here in El Nido. Look at the noodles. Authentic. Let's go. It's going to be our dinner. Then hopefully,
parang ngasang pho.
hopefully makain pa kami ng pad thais and not so tired. Bye bye.
Nga pala, ano pa tayo?
Sobrang sarap. Pho. Yeah, it's like pho. And the soup is really different from umami. So it doesn't have any umami taste. Pero siyang may combination ng pares, mami. So
Like
weird.
pho.
Yeah.
Filipino pho.
It's sweet.
Yeah, it's
For me.
sweet. Pero siyang beef stew na something.
Like, it
I don't know.
depends sa timpla mo.
Yeah. If you have your like chili garlic, but no, just chili, and then pepper, and then fish sauce, and then,
But-
and then paprika, and then
Oh, but this alone, it's good.
yeah, you don't have to use this. If depends on you, but for my taste,
Ha? Init
I
eh.
kind of need the fish sauce to add some
Ay, gusto nila.
savory flavor in it. I don't know. On our way to
Our house.
our room and to Pangolin.
Yeah.
We bought goods here outside the El Nido town. Got something for myself. Just bought a shirt. Shirt for remembrance, and then bought some magnets for my mom kasi yun lang talaga yung ni-request niya. And then also bought some bracelets for my friends. And that's it. Ref magnet lang. Yun lang ang kabilin-bilinan ng mom. So, yun lang ang bibili. All in all, naka 600 ako. Bye. Hi. So, we just got back here in our room, freshen up a bit, and then we'll go out again. Ayun, I love it. Freshen up a bit, and then we're going out again for our last night here in El Nido. We're gonna party a little bit tomorrow. So wala kami hangover tomorrow. Then before kami pumasok sa bahay after dinner, nag-buy lang kami ng konting souvenirs. Kasi ito yung kabilin-bilinan ng mom. Isa lang binili ko. Ito. Kita nyo?
Di ba, bibili nga ako malaki.
There you go. Ito lang gusto niya, ref magnets. I thought it looked so cute. Mayroon ba nito sa lahat ng lugar sa Pilipinas, pero ang cute kaya. Ang ganda niya, oh. Look, I don't know what this is. This one too. And then this one too. Fish. Bracelets. For my friends. Myself, a little souvenir. Bought a shirt. Because it looks good at napapangbahay ko siya. Yun lang ang souvenir. So we're just gonna freshen up a bit and then we're gonna head out again. Nakikita ko kasi sarili ko. We're gonna head out again and hopefully don't get wasted. We're on our way to Puerto Princesa. Passenger princess.
Like room chair. Legroom natin sa airport versus legroom natin ngayon. Ay, sa airplane. Business class. Premium sleeper bus.
Anyway, this is a 6-hour drive